Basement renovation is one of the most popular renovations in many parts of the country because in most cases you have a ceiling, you have walls, and you have a floor, so it can be very reasonable to convert this space to living area. And you may use it just like these homeowners are using this place as a game room. You have a little wet bar, refrigerator, and cooking area, plenty of room for seating, plenty of room for a pool table or maybe a ping pong table, and of course you have to have the television to kind of round out the entertainment in the game room. Now this type of project can be very do-it-yourself friendly because you're not exposed to the weather, so you can progress along on it just a little at a time. But there are some very important considerations in basement renovation. The most obvious issue is moisture. Caulking and sealing the inside of the basement walls is a good start, but for real security, the outside of the wall has to be properly waterproof, and the area adjacent to it should be designed to drain water away from the foundation. Light and ventilation are also important issues because most basement windows are small. Adding a prefabricated window well like this one from Bilco to a basement wall allows you to install a much larger window. This not only adds more light and fresh air to the basement, but also creates another emergency egress route. Creating a space around your home just to have a little fun has always been real popular, like this basement game room.